Join me as I challenge myself to whip up some super tasty and healthy pumpkin spice recipes that will totally spice up your life. When it comes to fall, I know I'm not the only one who gets excited about all the pumpkin spice goodies that start popping up everywhere. From lattes to muffins, it's hard to resist the allure of that warm, spicy flavor. But let's be real, most of those treats are loaded with sugar, cream, and other unhealthy ingredients that can quickly sabotage our healthy eating goals. We've all been there, trying to enjoy the festive flavors of the season while also trying to maintain a healthy diet. It's tough, right? You want to indulge in that pumpkin spice latte, but you know it's going to set you back on your fitness journey. And don't even get me started on the processed snacks and baked goods that are masquerading as healthy just because they have a hint of pumpkin in them. The truth is, most commercial pumpkin spice products are made with cheap, unhealthy ingredients that are more likely to harm your body than nourish it. And if you're like me, you're tired of feeling like you have to choose between indulging in the flavors of the season and staying true to your healthy lifestyle. That's why I'm so excited to share some healthy pumpkin spice recipes with you today that will satisfy your cravings and nourish your body at the same time. From breakfast to dessert, I've got you covered with delicious, healthy, and easy-to-make recipes that will become your new fall favorites. First up, let's talk about my pumpkin spice protein smoothie. This guy is packed with protein, fiber, and vitamins, and is made with just a handful of simple ingredients. Simply combine some frozen pumpkin, protein powder, almond milk, and a sprinkle of cinnamon in a blender, and you've got a delicious and healthy breakfast on the go. Next, let's make some pumpkin spice granola that's perfect for snacking on the go. This recipe uses whole grain oats, nuts, and seeds to create a crunchy and flavorful snack that's free from added sugars and preservatives. Plus, it's super easy to customize with your favorite spices and sweetener. If you're looking for a healthy dessert option, you've got to try my pumpkin spice chia pudding. Made with chia seeds, almond milk, and a hint of maple syrup, this creamy and dreamy dessert is not only delicious but also packed with omega-3s and fiber. But the recipe I'm most excited to share with you today is my pumpkin spice apple crisp. This show-stopping dessert is not only gorgeous, but it's also ridiculously easy to make and is packed with nutritious ingredients like oats, nuts, and seeds. Plus, it's perfect for serving up at your next fall gathering or dinner party. This pumpkin spice apple crisp is really the epitome of healthy indulgence. It's a treat that's not only delicious but also nourishing and satisfying. And the best part? It's made with just a few simple ingredients and requires minimal effort to prepare. So, which of these healthy pumpkin spice recipes are you most excited to try? I hope you'll join me in the comments below and share your favorite pumpkin spice recipes with me. And if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button for more healthy cooking content and recipes like these. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.